guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna be doing another unboxing of Play by Sephora. I did just get this in the mail last night actually, and I got it kind of early. Last time I got it like towards the end of February, but I think it's because I signed up in the middle of February. But let's go ahead and just dive right on into this. Don't mind my hair. My hair is like a crazy mess ball. I just got out of the shower recently, so my hair is just everywhere. I need to get it cut, honestly, but more importantly, I need to get it dyed. Like this right here, like I don't know if you guys can see, like my hair is kind of messy. My roots are coming in so badly, and I need to dye my hair, but it's gonna cost me 300 bucks, so we gotta make the appointment and wait for that. So if you guys already know, Play by Sephora is just like Ipsy and Birchbox and Box of Charm. It's a monthly subscription, though this subscription box is only $10 and you get 5 sample size products in here, plus a Play by Sephora card. Now the card is a 50-point card, so you literally go to Sephora online or in stores, you show that card and they add extra 50 points to your purchase, which I think is amazing because it takes forever to build up points in Sephora. For every dollar that you spend, you get a point. So if you want to build up to get thousands of points, you have to spend thousands of dollars. So literally just by going in there, presenting that card with your purchase, you get to add on extra points, which is amazing to me because they don't do special deals like Ulta does where it's like times 2, times 3, times 4 extra points for your purchase. They don't do that, unfortunately. They do their just their regular point system. So by having this, I think it's amazing. So it's like worth it on its own, and you get 5 sample products in here, and the sample products are only what's sold at Sephora, and that's what I really like about it. Like I know that when it came to Ipsy, you got to have 5 different samples in the Ipsy bag, but they're from companies that I've never even heard of, and I know a lot of them are indie brands, and it's kind of how they get their name out there, which I totally appreciate. But I know a lot about Sephora. I spend a lot of time in Sephora, so it's kind of nice to get Sephora products in here. That way, if I really like what I see, I can actually go purchase the product itself. So enough rambling on, let's go ahead and dive right on into this. The box is actually nice. It's not damaged by the mailman this time. That's kind of nice. This is the box right here. It is the Kick Up the Color. And then like I said, you get that $50 points right here, and the points last for the entire month. So this expires at the end of April 30th, which I think is great because I still have the one for March that expires March 30th. So this lasts you quite a bit. And then on the inside, you do have your little stuff right here that tells you about each product. But this actually shows you what you actually get inside. So you do get a reusable, which I just kind of dumped all the contents out, but I opened it like this way. But you do get your makeup bag right here. It's a plastic little makeup bag. You just kind of zip up right here. I do hate that it's plastic just because I don't think I ever really get a use out of this, and I feel like it's just a waste and harmful product for the environment. So I really wish they didn't put it in a plastic bag. I wish you just got the box without this, but I don't control what's sold in here. So diving in, I see. So the first time we see is this product right here. It is Replica. It is a bottle perfume, and it is this month's bonus. This bottle version of a cozy, toasty night by the fire with warm and sweet gourmand notes. It's a tiny little bottle. Smelling it right here, it has a sweet note to it, but it does have like a smoky after effect. I don't know how to describe it. It smells like a sweet fireplace. So it smells like I was at a bonfire, which I love sitting by bonfires, drinking wine, talking with a lot of friends, maybe playing card games. That's an amazing time for me. And this smells like I was just sitting by a bonfire, but my perfume still lasted through that. Now I want to go camping. That's awesome. The next product that we got is the IT Cosmetics Confidence in a Cleanser Skin Transforming Hydrating Cleansing Serum. So this is clinically tested. 100% showed improved hydration. 100% say their skin felt completely clean. 89% felt an immediate soft skin effect, and 83% says the skin looked and felt rejuvenated. Now I did just receive the IT Cosmetics Confidence and Cream Moisturizer in my Ipsy Luxe, and I think it's an amazing moisturizer. The only problem is it's definitely causing me to break out, and I think it's just because it's a brand new product on my face that I've never tried before, so I think that's why I'm breaking out. Hopefully that's the reason why, but it's a little irritating that I am. But this is also an anti-aging armor, which I could seriously use because I'm definitely getting some crow's feet in the corner of my eye, so I'm really excited that we got this right here. I wonder how this smells. Smells really clean, smells just like the moisturizer. The next product that we got is the Sephora Lash Craft Big Volume. This is a mascara that they're offering. It's a full volume mascara that coats lashes in a saturated black shade. This is nice because this is a Sephora exclusive, so it's a Sephora brand that you get to try out. I love trying out different mascaras. I'm obsessed with mascara. I have naturally really long lashes. Unfortunately, the one I have right now is starting to clump a little bit, so they're not looking the best. But I love trying out different mascaras to see which one works best, which one gives me the most dramatic lift, because I don't really like wearing falsies just because they're difficult to apply, they're a pain in the ass, and they leave leftover residue like for glue, and I have to use my mineral water to take it off, and it's just a process. I prefer not to wear lashes if I can, so this would be really exciting to try out. The next product that we have is a Makeup Forever Ultra HD Invisible Cover Foundation. Lightweight medium coverage foundation that hides your skin for an even complexion. Not a bad deal. Let's try here on my chest. It's actually not bad. I'm definitely gonna have to give this a go on my day off. Not on the day that I go to work, but in my day offs, because if it looks bad, I do not want to look like a kinky queen, because I've done that before and it's really embarrassing. So for the next product that we got is a NARS Bronzing Powder in Laguna. It's a buildable powder bronzer that delivers a radiant look with a soft shimmering finish. Oh my god. That is so tiny. Unbelievably tiny. I can't even get this open. Look at that little tiny little mirror with, I don't even know how to get like, all right. You can't even like, you could barely see that on my skin right here. That's really, really light, really soft. That's gonna be exciting to try out for sure. The last thing we have in this box is gonna be an Amica Perk Up Dry Shampoo. So let's see how this smells. It's an oil absorbing spray that instantly refreshes hair and adds volume. Ah, that smells amazing. That truly smells amazing. I'm excited to try this out. So I just actually got into dry shampoo for the first time this past year. I've never tried any dry shampoo prior to going to Maine. I knew going to Maine that you know, my hair, because I'm naturally really oily, I get greasy really fast. So if I don't wash my hair every other day, it's disgusting. So I was like, you know what, we're going to Maine. It's very hard to wash my hair there just because of how cold it is. Literally, it's so cold that my hair is so thick it takes forever to dry. So I know if I'm gonna wash my hair, I literally have to either blow dry it or braid it or something just so I can get it out of my way, because it's such a pain in the ass. It's such a pain in the ass, I'm not gonna lie to you. So I brought up a bottle of dry shampoo that I found in like one of those bins at Walmart or Target, you know, those like travel size stuff, and I don't remember what the brand is called, but I think it smelled really good and it was a really great product. I used it all the time and I still use it like to this day whenever I go to work. I throw my hair up in a high ponytail, and if I know it's a little greasy, I spray it, brush it out, and it looks really good. So I'm really excited to give this one a try. I've heard great things about this brand. That and Batista, I think it's called. I've heard great things, so this would be really exciting to try it out. That is everything that I got in this box. It's really simple. This is like a really quick video for you guys. I just want to show you what this box is about. Like I said, you do get everything that's sold at Sephora. So like this little guy right here tells you every single product, what the product's about, how to use the product, and then right here is like kind of like cool little like fun facts, what to do with everything. And then like I said, you guys do get that Play by Sephora card right here, which you can take in and get your extra 50 points on top of your purchase, which I think is an amazing deal. So I really do like the fact that this is literally only $10. $10 a month, you get to try sample price products. If you really like it, you can go in the store and buy the full thing. And I just think that's a great deal, just because I don't like going to Sephora all the time and always asking for samples, because sometimes they don't have samples available for me to have. So to sit here and try out these, like I wouldn't have bought this on its own. Like I just, because I know how expensive this is by itself, I was never gonna buy it. Same thing with like the brush, the mascara. Like I get really hesitant to spend my money on things just because I'm very frugal in that sense. So if I know I really am unsure about the product, I won't buy it unless it's something I really want, then I'll buy it. Do you know what I'm saying? So to get these sample sizes, I think is great. So this is definitely worth your guys' money if you guys want to try out these things. It's all, you know, by Sephora. and I think it's a great deal. Guys, that is it for today's video. It's a really quick, short one for you guys. Please make sure you guys give this video a cheeky thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I do post 2 videos twice a week. I also have a giveaway going on in my channel right now. For hitting over 500 subscribers, I have 2 giveaways going on. The first one is in the I Heart Revolution Donut Palette Part 2. I'm giving away the entire collection. All you have to do is go to that video, read down in the description how to enter, and you guys will be all set with that. And then I also have one going on in my ABH Riviera palette review. I also have another giveaway going on for that one as well. So make sure you guys check out those giveaways. They do end March 20th and March 22nd. And yeah, guys. So thank you guys again for all your love and support, and I'll see you guys in the very next video. Bye! For today's video, I'm gonna be doing another unboxing of Sephora, oh damn it, my ABH Anastasia. Then I also have one going on in my Anastasia Revolution subscription, kind of like Ipsy, kind of like, and then you get 5 sample price. They're once, but you do get your, this is this back in my box. It's a buildable power, boom.